What's up, YouTube? So if you're wondering what we're going to talk about today, this is it. The Scx10 Now I know it's been out for approximately a year or so at the date of this video, but it is an awesome trail scale truck. It is a great beginner's truck. It is a great expert's truck. There's so many upgrades that can be bought for these trucks. It is unreal, guys. So let's go ahead and start talking about it a little bit. Let's talk about what we see on this front package here. So this is the Deadbolt 2. Now why it is the Deadbolt 2, there is a previous version that the body was more of a lime green and not an olive green. The one that I like the most, but I can say that the Scx10 that the olive green body comes on has a few more advantages than the version 1 of the Scx10. Some of the things being different transmission mounts. While I'm talking about it on the top of my mind, I just drew a blank, guys. So let's go ahead and skip ahead a little bit. So we do have the AR44 high pinion axles. Now these aren't the portal axles, but Vanquish has announced that they will release some portal axles for the Scx10 RX4 portal axles. So when Vanquish announced that, it was a big thing in the RC world. So I'm sure you're pretty tired of looking at the front of this box. Let's turn it over a little bit and see what we got. Make sure I can get it in the view here for you guys. Alright, guys. So we have a 151 ounce Tactic servo. It's metal geared. We have a 35 turn brushed motor. We have the Tactic TTX200 transmitter, which seems to do just fine, guys. It also, if you have a larger hand, you can record with one hand and do your transmitter with the other. It's pretty cool. So it has a 3-channel receiver. The receiver box is waterproof. We have adjustable shocks, coilovers. We have the WB8 heavy-duty wild bore drive shafts, front and rear. We've got the adjustable battery tray, so you can use large packs or small packs. And it has the AE5 ESC with the drag brake. I'm not sure if that is programmable, but it is 3S capable, which is a good thing for some guys. As I mentioned before, we have the AR44 axle, which they do have a lot of covers for these things, guys, and they're pretty cool. We have the licensed Neo 1.9 trail grapplers, the MT tires here. These are officially licensed Neo trail tires, guys. They look very scale for all you scale guys. They would be pretty cool on a rig. I'm not sure how capable they are. I have not used them. This would be my first time actually opening this truck and pulling it out. I have opened the box, but I did not pull the truck out. Now look, guys, it does have an adjustable wheelbase. The truck comes as a 12-inch wheelbase, so you can adjust it to 11.4, a 12, or 12.3. The links are sold separately, but it is adjustable. That is a good thing. It's got a 4-link rear on it, and we have a good light bar here. So it includes a set of interchangeable axial and plain light covers. LED lights sold separately. So we do have the light bar here, guys, but they do not give you the LEDs. Alright, guys, that's enough of the box. Let's go ahead and pull this baby out of here and see what we're working with. Alright, guys. Just as I assumed, basic Scx10 I have a few of these, guys. So we have the AE5. You've got your waterproof box here. Here's the difference here. The transmission is mounted. It's designed a little different than the previous models. Your Tactic servo. Looks to be a CRC front bumper here. It does not include a rear bumper, but does include a space for lights to go here. Excuse me. It comes with your typical Dean's plug. Coilover shocks that are adjustable, guys, which is a good thing. Now, I'm not sure what weight. I believe it's 30 weight that Axial puts into their shocks from the factory. I usually change mine out. And then we'll do the Scx10 free shock upgrade. Basically, all you do is you take the yellow shocks from the rear, the yellow shock springs, just the springs, guys, and switch them to the front where the white goes in the rear. The rear is usually a little stiffer, or vice versa. The front, either way, just switch them over, guys. I got tongue-tied. Got me there. And the thing is, I just did it the other day on another one. So actually, we see here, it looks like to be the yellow. So the yellow is in the front right now, and we're going to switch them. So yellow, when we do the upgrade, yellow will be in the rear, and whites will be in the front. All right, we got that over with. So basically, guys, if you've ever seen an Scx10 you're looking at the same thing you've already seen. But if you have not, and you're a beginner, these are awesome trucks. If you don't like the body, you can change the body out to virtually anything you want. From 11.4 wheelbase to a 12.3 wheelbase, and if you're real creative, you can do different stuff than that. But that is the truck, guys, and it's pretty cool. Later on, I'll get some videos of it running, but it's a monsoon here in Virginia right now, so you guys have a good one, and I hope this helped out. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Come on over to Facebook and like us on Tribe RC, and we are Tribe.
Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. Click that subscribe button down below, hit the bell button so you know when all the new videos come out. And while we're talking about it, head on over to Facebook and click like on Tribe RC. Thanks. We are Tribe.